So at ConExpo, Matt, there's some evolution happening to our Patriot Cone Crusher line. Tell us a little bit about that. What's new at the show?
So we've filled in our current product offering with a 500 horsepower cone crusher.
200 horsepower to 600 horsepower.
Right.
But the 5 is the one that we've been working on over the last year or two.
Yep, 500 horsepower, 59-inch head diameter cone crusher that's still portable but still heavy duty to kind of fill in the gap of our crusher line. It's a top adjustable cone, so it's got a threaded bowl, but the difference in our machine versus a lot of the competition is our tramp release is all contained above the cylinder. Well, it just keeps all the stress up on top. There's no stress between the top of the cylinder and the bottom. Counterclockwise countershaft rotation. If we were to lose clamping pressure in the crusher would tend to open up rather than tighten down and potentially cause catastrophic damage to the machine.
Okay.
You know, full range of liners, anywhere from 12 plus inch down to 1 inch feeds. Can change the liners out without having to change any other hardware in the machine. In our booth, we're going to have a forged cone head. The advantages of forging versus a casting is more high strength material.
Talking performance, how do you comment on that?
Yeah, the P500 has a very aggressive stroke, a high pivot point. You get a lot of action in that crushing chamber. As the material goes down, you get a lot of rock on rock interaction. There's a wide speed range for operations, so the crusher can be fine-tuned via countershaft speed to optimize performance in a certain application.
One of our major differentiators at Superior is customer service. Why does a crusher operator care about a company committed to service?
Any type of piece of equipment I was going to buy, whether it's a cone crusher, a jaw crusher, a screw, a conveyor, I would buy it from the company that I felt gave you the best support. And that's having technicians available, having parts on the ground, local dealers, knowledgeable folks in the company. And so that's where I feel Superior really shines, being able to support machines, having people, humans available to travel to site when needed or be available on the phone if any issues do come up.